Hi guys, welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, FinTech with Team Bees. I hope you're making cool cash over there. If this is your first time visiting this channel, I would appreciate if you could subscribe to this channel and tap the notification bell so that YouTube can alert you once new video drops. Warm welcome to our returning subscribers and viewers. I hope you have a great time watching today's video. Stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome back. So quickly today I'll be showing you how you can deposit on your Skrill, how you can deposit into your Skrill account, So how you can deposit into your Skrill account, So let's dive in. So open your Skrill app. So right now this is my Skrill and I have 1.67 euros on my Skrill. 1.67 euros on my Skrill, and as you can see, these are my recent transactions. So you click on this plus sign to add money, into your account. So click on it. So right now, how much am I adding? So, and here you can also change the currency in which you want to add to your account. So if you click on it, you'll be able to see other currencies that you can choose from: US dollar, euros, UAE dirham, Australian dollar, and so others. So we are depositing euros for this tutorial. So how much am I depositing? I want to deposit 300 euros. 300 euros. So, and Skrill is asking me whether I want to make this money available for payment on gambling sites. No. So I'm selecting no. So because there are some restrictions that you will have on your funds if you select yes. So for this course, I'm selecting no. So, and also I want to, I'm using a Stanbic Bank Money Wallet card. It's a multi-currency wallet. So it has 5 currencies in it. You have the euros, you have the pounds, you have the South African rand, you have the Ghana cedis on it. So you can always convert your funds from euros to dollars on the Money Wallet app, and you can use the card anywhere in the world. So you can always approach your bank. It's more or less like a prepaid. You get to load funds into the card. All right, let's proceed. So I want to change the card to the one I want to use. So yeah, I'm selecting that. So this is the card that I want to use in this scenario. So you click on continue. Click on continue. So here you have your CVV. So that is where you had your input your CVV, the 3 digits at the back of your card. That is your CVV. So you enter your CVV. So all right now, so let's enter the CVV. So you've entered the CVV and you click on continue. So all right, so on this next page, it's showing me the details of the transactions. It's showing me the money will arrive instantly on our Skrill, instantly, and the amounts we are adding is 300, and the fee. So the fee for the transaction is 7.5 euros, and so the total is 307 euros, 0.5 euros. That is the total amount of the transaction. So check this box for you to proceed with the transaction. So you check the box. So right now it's also showing you that you will get 307 loyalty points with these deposits. So now let's click on add 300 euros down here. So you click on add 300 euros. So click on it. So right now we are proceeding to the checkout page. We are proceeding to the checkout page. So let's wait for the page to load. We are waiting for the page to load. So right now, I'm selecting the email for the confirmation. So I'm selecting the email. So for confirmation of this uh, transaction, so you click on continue, click on continue, click on continue. So the passcode has been sent to the email. So right now you go to your email to check for the passcode that must have been sent to your email address. So right now I'm on my email. So I'm going to type in the passcode that was sent to me. 967123. So that is the one-time password for this transaction. So click on submit. Submit. So we are waiting for the transaction to be processed. Your card seems to be restricted. Try again. So possibly there is something wrong. So I'm going to pause this video to try to sort it out. So all right. So what happened was that I have locked the card. So you can lock your card. So that's the security architecture of the card. So I've gone to unlock the card for transactions. So right now let's try again. So check the box, then click on add 300 euros. So we're waiting for the checkout page. So we're waiting for the checkout page. So select the email. So you can decide to use your phone or your email. So in this video, I'll be using the email for the verification. So the passcode should arrive in my email. The passcode should arrive in my email in few seconds. So it's now in my email. So I'll type in the passcode. So click on submit. Click on submit. So deposit successful. Deposit successful. So you've successfully deposited 300 euros on your Skrill account. So you can go to the home screen to verify the transaction. So as you can see, I now have 301.67 euros on my Skrill account. Thank you so much. I hope you find this video useful.